couldn't open it right away. It felt like it was really shut for so long, but it just a few pushes in and just blew wide open. It was really scary. What we were really drawn to was the uniqueness and how large the space was. It felt like we were walking into like a 1970s time capsule. It did remind us of like a mini Graceland. It has the colonial style, really large pillars in the front, and then all of the 1970s carpet and wallpaper and like the light fixtures were similar to what he has in Graceland. Every room had bright wallpaper. There was blue carpets, red shag carpet. There's also a laundry chute, which I haven't seen one of those since like the 90s. Just felt like finding all these hidden treasures and just trying to figure out like what was this kept for. When we saw the listing online, there was no mention of the bomb shelter. So there was just more mystery to it, a little shocking, a little scary, but we were more so excited. It was really scary. It was kind of hard to breathe down there. So I just went in there, took a couple of pictures, and then I just like ran out. I think if there's any catastrophe, that's pretty cool that there is a bunker down there. I guess you don't see too many of those in homes these days. To the right of the staircase, there's this like little closet. It's like another hidden room. And then you just simply lift it up, and there's like a little wine cellar inside. We wanted to preserve a lot of the original elements, so we kept the bomb shelter. We just pretty much cleaned out the space. Also with the wine cellar storage area, we just refreshed the space. The house is currently for sale. It's listed at $1,239,000. We hope that people will come see how beautiful and unique the house is. This is probably by far our biggest, challenging, and most interesting find.